jealous of those who do wrong. They will soon disappear like grass that dries up. They will die like plants that wither. Trust in the Lord and do good. Live in the land and be safe. Seek your happiness in the Lord and He will give you your heart's desire. Give yourself to the Lord and He will trust in Him and He will help you. He will make your righteousness shine like noonday sun. Don't give in to worry or anger. Don't give in to worry or anger because it only leads to trouble. Those who trust in the Lord will possess the land, but the wicked will be driven out. Soon, the wicked will disappear. You may look for them, but you may not find them. Verse 25 to 26. I am now old. I have lived a long time, but I have never seen good people abandoned by the Lord or their children begging for food. At all times, they give freely and lend to others. Their children are a blessing.
Amen.